Hello, today's lesson will be about open and closed syllables by Ingrid Lenoir. Today we are going to learn to read open and closed syllables. When you read syllables, you need to decide to say long or short vowel sound. Closed syllables end with a consonant, which makes it a short vowel sound. An open syllable ends with a vowel and makes a long vowel sound. Let's look at the syllable ma. There is a vowel at the end, so this is an open syllable. The vowel sound is long. The long vowel sound for this letter is long A. Let's try another example, me. Me is a one-syllable word. The single vowel at the end tells us that this is an open syllable. An open syllable, the vowel sound is the same as the name of the letter or the long sound. Other examples of open syllables are hi, so, he, and go. Closed syllables. Look at the word men. The consonant at the end of the word tells me that this is a closed syllable. In a closed syllable, a consonant closes in the vowel and the vowel sound is short. I'm going to point to the letter E in men. This letter stands for eh. Here are a few more examples of closed syllables. Hit, sob, hin, got, and job. Here are some examples of open syllables. Open syllables has one vowel. The vowel is the last letter in the syllable. The vowel makes the long sound. In he, we hear the word E, the letter E. Examples are I, Y, me, my, she, he, be, and no. Here's some more examples of open syllables. So we said she, so, be, go, he, I, we, fly, sky, high, spy, and me. And we know these are open syllables because they all end in a vowel. Here are some examples of closed syllables. So we notice that here these syllables end in a consonant, not a vowel. So here's some words that are considered closed syllables. We have the word cat. We know that it ends in a consonant, so it's going to be a short vowel, which is a closed syllable. We have the word tank. Tank ends in a consonant too. And ship. Ship ends in a consonant, so these are considered closed syllables. And those words are short vowels. This is an example of a strategy used to determine if the syllable is open or closed, and if the vowel is long or short. On the first index card, you see the word got. We know this is a closed syllable because the word ends in a consonant, T. And the vowel sound is short. The next index card you notice is the word high. This is an open syllable because the word ends in a vowel and it makes the long vowel sound. Hi, we hear I. Here we have the word men. We know this is a closed syllable because it ends in a consonant, which means it is a short vowel. We have the word hid. This also ends in a consonant, which is a closed vowel, which means it is a short vowel. For homework tonight, I would like you to do a word sort. On a separate sheet of paper, you will fold your paper in half and label one column open and the other column closed. You will sort the list of syllables into the correct column, either open or closed. This concludes my presentation.